Want to make a watermelon really fast in Blender? Let's go. First, add a UV sphere, scale it slightly along the Z-axis, then rotate it a bit on the X-axis. Now apply all transforms and shade smooth the object. Now go to the shader editor and click new to create a material. Switch to material preview mode and select the principal BSDF node and press Ctrl+T. If you don't see new nodes, make sure the Node Wrangler add-on is enabled. Now delete the image texture node, add a wave texture and connect it to the base color of principal BSDF. Between them, add a color ramp and adjust the values. Change both color point in the color ramp to match watermelon colors. In the wave texture, slightly increase the distortion, increase the detail and add some detail roughness. And just like that, your watermelon is ready. And if you want to do something more, duplicate the watermelon, go to edit mode, switch to face selection, then go to mesh and bisect. In the lower pop-up setting, enable clear inner and fill. Now your watermelon is cut in half. Adjust the half watermelon if needed, then go to the material, add a new material. In edit mode, select the cut face and assign the new material. Go back to object mode and open the shader editor again. Go to Google, download a watermelon cutout image and save it. In the shader editor, add a image texture node, open the watermelon image and connect color to base color. Go back to edit mode, rotate the watermelon so it faces the screen. Select the cut face, press U and choose project from view. In the UV editor, adjust the UVs to match the image. Now you can see both the full watermelon and the cut watermelon ready. Switch to render view, add some light and you are good to go. If you got some value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.